Well, Coco Coir has obviously become one of the go-to mediums in our industry, and for good reason. Coco allows there to be a large amount of air at the root base while still having a pretty high water content, which just leads to explosive, huge, beautiful root systems, which then in turn equates to large, beautiful plants with larger yields. And so Coco is great because you can have higher water content down at the root base, again, while not throwing off the air to water ratio. And what happens is the plants can just uptake a much larger amount of water and nutrients as a result of that. So we recommend Coco whenever possible. It is a little bit more maintenance in that Coco has to be fed almost every day, if not multiple times a day, but the results are worth it.